Alright, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Show you something that I recently acquired here in the shop. Of course, as you can see, it says FLUKE. So this is a FLUKE product that arrived in this case, hard case, which is what I wanted, because I'm going to take this item on calls. Let me show you what it is. This is a FLUKE 1587, and what makes it different from other FLUKE multimeters is that this is a insulation multimeter. I recently made a video that you'll be able to look at. I have not uploaded it yet, but I will be uploading it very soon. You'll be able to watch that video regarding insulation testing, where I compared this particular instrument to a less expensive digital multimeter. And anyway, this one is fantastic. Of course, this is an expensive instrument, as is all of my FLUKE meters. But what I like about this one is that not only does it do insulation, allow me to do insulation testing for when I want to test the AC cords and Hammond organs. I can also test voltage, ohms, and capacitance as well. Okay, so I mean, it allows me to do other functions in addition to just testing for insulation resistance. So I wanted to share that with you. I have all the cables over here, the connectors here for both the insulation resistance testing, as well as ohm, voltage, capacitance testing. And nice instrument, and I'm glad I have it, because I wanted something that did all of that, and I did all of those functions that I could carry with me when I go out on calls, and this is the perfect instrument for that. All right, I'm going to close it up, but before I put this with my other gear that I use for calls, I wanted to let you see it. Nice carrying case, and to protect my very expensive FLUKE instrument. Alright, that's it. Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.